Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create enter missing word and paste missing word question types in quizzes. In the enter missing word question type, the learner needs to manually type the missing word into the sentence. To create this question, enter the task instruction in the top field, for example, this one. And as with any other question type, you can add a description and format the text. You can attach a multimedia content. You can add the image, leave a note for the reviewer, duplicate the question, add text, or delete it. When adding the missing word, don't forget to use square brackets. Next, let's move on to the paste missing word question. In this type of question, the learner needs to drag and drop the correct answer into the missing space in the sentence. It is created in a similar way to the enter missing word question. The correct answer is also marked using square brackets. Additionally, you need to add incorrect answer options that will be available for selection. Now let's see how these question types appear to the learner. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.